If you thought that Menemen is another type of shakshuka, then you are completely wrong and need to go to culinary court to stand trial. There are differences that I won't list here because I don't want this video to become Shakshuka versus Menemen. Try to watch the Shakshuka video that I linked here and spot the difference. The essence of Menemen is the pepper. There are so many peppers you can use for Menemen. I don't want to make the dish difficult to make, so I went with the easy option that's readily available for everyone. Green bell peppers. Cut them into squares and then set them aside. Then cut your tomatoes into square, nothing fancy here, just so they will cook evenly with the green bell peppers. Take your tomatoes and set them aside. Just before we hit the stove, we need to do one important step. Get a small bowl and break in your eggs. We are using 4 eggs in this recipe. 1, 2, 3, 4. We used about 0.77 pounds of green bell peppers, which is about 350 grams, and about 1 pound of tomatoes, which is about half a kilo. Add a little bit of salt to your eggs, then whisk the eggs a little bit, only trying to break the yolks. Don't mix the yellow and the whites. We want that separation. Now we can go to the stove, heat up your skillet, add in some good frying olive oil, once your oil is hot, add in your green bell peppers. Followed by the tomatoes. Cook the tomatoes and the bell peppers down until they are soft and set them in a way that there is plenty of room for the eggs to cook. And then pour in your eggs. Without doing any mixing or adjusting, cook the eggs until they are done. The idea is you don't want any raw eggs. Now you are done. You can enjoy this dish with your favorite bread. I'm going with pita bread. That was good. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel, giving us a thumbs up and sharing the video with your friend who like Turkish food. Thank you for watching to the end, and I will see you in the next video.